Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's Forrest. I'm going to be showing you how to delegate your ADA from the Yoroi wallet to the Sundaeswap ISO. It's the initial staking offering. This is not financial advice. Do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. If you like this, make sure to like, subscribe, push those notifications. You can check out my Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, all that good stuff. So let's get right into it. I'm going to show you how to stake from the Yoroi wallet. So if you don't have the Yoroi wallet, I like to go to their Twitter account and then click on their website link so you know it's the real link and you're not going to some other scam or something like that. I've already downloaded my Yoroi wallet and have it connected and everything. So you go here to download, click on download. You're going to add to Chrome or whatever. I usually use Chrome. If you're using Brave, you can also add that to Chrome because those are compatible. You're going to get a 24 keyword phrase. Make sure you remember that. Write that down. Do not store it on your computer. If you store it on your computer, it can get hacked and they can take all your money. So you don't want to do that. So once you get your Yoroi extension wallet here, you're going to open that up. And I have a little bit of ADA in here, a little bit of rewards. I'm staked to a different pool right now. But I'm going to redelegate that to the Sundaeswap ISO. So this ISO is happening right now. It's going to be giving ADA holders Sundaeswap tokens rewards for staking to their pool. Their mainnet just launched. These ISOs are really new, but it's kind of a way to democratize new listings of tokens. So you're kind of getting in like pre-token sale. You can get Sundaeswap tokens right now, but essentially, they're using your ADA rewards to stake to their pool, and then they're rewarding you with Sundaeswap tokens. So you can go here to the Sundaeswap. It's iso.sundaeswap.finance dashboard, and it's going to show you all these lists of different eligible staking pools. So I went through and I looked at almost every single one of these, and it seems like all of them are already saturated. So you can delegate to a pool that's saturated. It says you're going to gain less rewards because of this, but I couldn't really find a way around this. If anyone else knows of a different pool or knows a different way to do this, let me know in the comments. I'd definitely like to know. I looked into some different ones. I decided to go with Kiwi. They have a couple different staking pools. I checked out their website. So I'll show you how to do that. So we're going to go into our Yoroi wallet. We're going to go up here to delegation list. Now, this is going to take all of the ADA that's in this wallet and delegate it to this staking pool. You can't really delegate portions of your ADA in a wallet to multiple pools. So if you want to do that, you have to create a new wallet and send in funds to that. If you don't have funds in your Yoroi wallet yet, you can go up here to receive, and this will give you your wallet address. You're going to take this wallet address and you're going to put that into either Coinbase or Kraken or whatever exchange that you're using, and that's how you deposit Cardano ADA into this wallet. So you're going to use this address. All right, so we go up to delegation list, and we're going to search here in the search bar. I'm going to type in Kiwi. It's going to show me here. See, so this shows you the saturation. It says 1%, but they're actually fully saturated. I believe with Cardano, it's 60 million ADA that are allowed to be in each pool before it becomes oversaturated, and then they decrease the amount of rewards to incentivize having multiple pools. But it seems like there aren't really enough pools for everybody who wants to do this, but that's good for Sundaeswap. Sundaeswap is the, I'm sure you already know, but it is the first decentralized exchange on Cardano, and we want to get some of these tokens. So go here, you can click on it, and you can look at the different information here. All delegators here, it explains get ADA rewards and then airdrop Sundae tokens through this ISO. So we will go back. So I'm just going to click on delegate. says here, saturating staking pool. If you continue to get less than expected rewards, kind of a bummer, but I don't think there's any way around it at this point. Gonna click delegate. You're gonna put in your spending password. Successfully delegated. Awesome. Go to dashboard page. And so the rewards are usually paid out in epochs. That's about 5 days. I want to go to... All right, so a little information about the ISO details. The reward structure, it's going to be 25 days. So I believe that, it's total of 5 epochs. So it's about 25 days. They're going to be distributing 1% of their total supply each epoch. And you have to have a minimum of 10 ADA to participate. They're using private pools to make it operate better. And then they're this whale control, so that's kind of like this maximum 60 million ADA in each pool to keep from one whale or one pool taking the majority of the rewards. So that's what's going on, and hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys soon.